Located in the Brazilian hills, near São Conrado Beach, in Rio de Janeiro, AL House, designed by Studio Arthur Casas, is a 3-story property offering panoramic views of the region's outstanding landscape. The house is arranged over 3 stories to work with the slope of the landscape. The challenge for the architects was to maximize sightlines towards the ocean, as the original plot provided no direct views of the sea. The middle story, which lines up with the ground level at the rear of site, opens out to a raised terrace that offers the panoramic views. A secluded courtyard provides an entrance at the rear of this floor. This level accommodates the most social areas of the house, from a large living room to an open kitchen and 10-seater dining table. The interior design project favors comfort and casualness, with Brazilian furniture blended with foreign items. A wall of glazing fronts this open-plan space to maximize views, but the panels also slide open and disappear into the side walls to allow the living room to extend out to the terrace and swimming pool. There is also a floating outdoor staircase descending to the guest rooms and utility areas on the lowest level, which lead out to a grassy garden. A third floor, with smaller proportions, houses private dependencies such as the master suite and the home office, both oriented to the horizon. The materials employed are inspired by the landscape, with local stone and kumara wood. This level features a protruding corner that appears from certain angles to balance precariously over the stone walls of the stories below, and is clad with timber to provide contrast. Here's a look at the plan.